Good day everyone, I am Liberty Manalo and today I will be sharing my knowledge about netiquette and how to use Canva.
And today, I'm going to talk about something we all need when using the internet, netiquette. Netiquette means internet etiquette, the proper way of communicating and behaving online. In today's digital world, it is important to remember that our word and action on the internet reflect who we are. Every time we post, comment, or message, we should think first. Ask ourselves, is this kind? Is this true? Is this necessary? Following netiquette helps us avoid misunderstanding, arguments, and spreading fake news. Respect is the heart of netiquette. We should respect others' opinion even if they are different from ours. Avoid using bad words, bullying, or sharing hurtful content. Being polite online is the same as being polite in person. Netiquette also means protecting our privacy and other people's privacy. We should not post personal information, photos, or detail without permission. Once something is online, it can stay there forever. When we practice good netiquette, we make the online world safer, kinder, and more meaningful. We show that we are responsible digital citizens who use ICT not to harm, but to connect and help others. So remember, think before you click and click with respect. And I'm going to talk about how I use Canva as part of ICT. Canva is an online design tool that help me create poster, presentation, and social media content easily. I like using it because it has ready-made templates and design that save time and make my work look creative and professional. Through Canva, I can share ideas, promote awareness, and express my creativity in a simple way. It really empowers me to communicate and make a positive impact using technology.